We begin in the name of God, the most beneficent and the most merciful. In previous lecture, we have discussed regarding exercise 2D, in which we have learnt about area of triangles and quadrilaterals. Today we have to start with further questions, that is question number 32. In question 32, they said a rhombus shaped sheet with parameter 40 centimeter and one diagonal is 12 centimeter. Rhombus दिया है, उसकी size नहीं मालूम है, but parameter is given that is 40 centimeter and one diagonal is given that is 12 centimeter. That rhombus is painted on both sides, दोनों तरफ उसमें पेंट करना है हमको at the rate of ₹5 per centimeter square. Okay, then we have to find the cost of painting. तो cost of painting के लिए we want area and rate. Rate is given, area we have to calculate. But this sheet is painted twice. If suppose this is a rhombus, okay, इस तरफ पेंट करना है तो we have to calculate the area of rhombus here and back side भी आपको पेंट करना है twice. देखा ना, painted on both sides. Both side माने this side and this side. तो area of this rhombus first of all we will calculate and multiply it by 2 क्योंकि दो तरफ हमको area से निकालना है for coloring. Okay. So we know that cost of painting is equals to area into rate. Area of rhombus means area of this into rate. For area of a rhombus is divided into two triangles. That means this one triangle, suppose A, B, C, D. This is a rhombus. A, B, D triangle and B, C, D triangle. The area of these two triangles when we will add, then we will get the area of a rhombus. Understood? So how many triangles are there? If I divide it into two triangles, area of this triangle, a triangle, two triangles and two more triangles back side. This triangle and area of this triangle. So for finding the cost of painting the sheet, we have to multiply the area into rate. For finding area, first of all we have to calculate the side. है ना, we don't know these sides, हमको ये sides नहीं मालूम है. So first of all we will calculate side. Perimeter is given. Perimeter is equals to 40 centimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is sum of all sides. Means 4x. 4x. We have supposed that side of a rhombus is x centimeter. So perimeter will become 4x. It is equals to 40 centimeter. So x is equals to 40 upon 4. It will be 10 centimeter. इसका मतलब है इसकी साइड्स कितनी हैं? रोम्बस की ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. तो सारी साइड्स कितने सेंटीमीटर्स की हैं? 10 सेंटीमीटर की. अंडरस्टूड? तो एरिया इनटू कॉस्ट इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया इनटू रेट. एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी ट्रायंगल्स आर देयर? 1 2 इन फ्रंट एंड 2 एट द बैक. 1 2 फ्रंट में और 2 ट्रायंगल्स एट द बैक. सो 4 into area of triangle ABD into rate is 5 centimeter per square. So what is the area of triangle ABD? It is an isosceles triangle. The formula for calculate area of an isosceles triangle is 4b upon 4 under root 4a square minus b square multiplied by 5. This is the formula for calculating the area of an isosceles triangle. What is A? A is equals to equal sides and B is equals to base. So the value of A in this triangle is 10 and the value of B in this triangle is 12. Okay, 4 से 4 cancel. It will be equal to base is 12 under root 4 A square. 10 square means 100. Minus b square. 12 square means 144. Multiply by 5. So you will get under root 400 minus 144. Multiply by 5. 400 minus 144 is equals to under root multiplied by 5. It is equals to 12 into 256 is a square of 16. 12 into 16 into 45. When 12 into 5 is 60. 60 into 16 you will get 960. So the cost of painting the rhombus sheet on both sides is 960. That is your answer. The next question number 33. They said that the difference between the semi-parameter means S, and the sides of triangle ABC. We know that sides of any triangle ABC are A, B and C. For a scalar triangle, the length of AB is A, for BC is B and for CA is C. So the difference between semi-parameter is S, that is A plus B plus C by 2. This is the value of S. The difference between semi-parameter and the length of sides is given 8 cm, 7 cm and 5 cm. They said you to calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, this is very important question because we don't know the value of ABC. We know only the difference of their sides. Difference of semi-parameter and sides. That means S minus A is equals to is given, that is 8 cm. S minus B is given, that is 7 cm. And S minus C is given, that is 5 cm. These values are given. We don't know what is the value of S. We don't know what are A, B and C. So first of all, we have to calculate the value of S, we will find, and value of A, B, C. Then we are able to find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Understood? So these are three equations. Add them. This is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. This is your equation 3. Add all these three equations. Add them. You will get S plus S plus S is 3S minus A minus B minus C, है ना? It is equals to 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20 centimeter. A, B, C minus कॉमन ले लेंगे तीनों में है तो you will get 3S minus कॉमन लिया तो 8 plus B plus C. It is equals to 20 centimeter. Value of A, B, C we will calculate from here. We know that semi-parameter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So it is 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. So the value of A plus B plus C is 2 times S. So we will put this value. 3S minus 2S is equals to 20 centimeter. 3S minus 2S is S is equals to 20 centimeter. Understood? So we will get the value of S. Now we will put the value of S over here. So we are able to find the value of A, B, C. Then you will put the value of S in equation 1. So you will get S minus A is 8. This is our equation 1. 8 centimeter. Okay. 8 plus का equals के तरह आएगा तो it will become negative. A उधर जाएगा तो it will become positive. The value of A will be 20 minus 8, that is 12 centimeter. Similarly, we will put the value of S in equation 2. Value of S in equation 2. Equation 2 was S minus B is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. What is the value of S? 20 minus B is equals to 7. So B is equals to positive. और 7 इस तरफ आएगा तो it will become negative. 20 minus 7. So it is equals to 13 centimeter. This is the value of B. Now similarly when you put the value of S in equation number 3, that is S minus C is 5 centimeter. S minus C is equals to 5 centimeter. Equation 3. Okay. So value of C is equals to 20 minus 5. It is equals to 15 centimeter. Now you know the value of A, value of B, value of C and value of S. So you are easily able to calculate the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Question 36. ABCD is a square with a diagonal 44 centimeter and how much paper of each shade? Yellow, G for green, R for red, Y for yellow and G for green. How much paper of each shade means these colors is needed to make a kite given in the figure? ABCD is a square and AEF is an isosceles triangle. 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So we have to calculate the paper, how much paper is of each shade is needed. Yellow color, two shades में, two triangles में है, and we know that in a square diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So these two BD and AC are diagonal. They bisect at O at 90 degree. And these four triangles are equal in area. This is equals to this, and sides in square are equal. That means these all four triangles, one first part, third part, second part and fourth part, these all parts are equal. So first of all we will calculate the area of a square. Area of a square sheet is equals to half into diagonal square. This is the formula for calculating area when diagonal is given. So diagonal is 44 centimeter square में area आता है, तो it is equals to 2268 centimeter square. This is the area of square sheet. So area required for yellow sheet is twice of the area of this triangle. Two triangles means half of the area of square. Required area of yellow sheet is equals to half of area of ABCD. Two triangles, square is divided into four equal triangles. Two triangles means half of area of square. So it is equals to half into area of a square sheet is 968. It is equals to area required for yellow sheet is 484 centimeter square. Area required for red sheet is 1/4. Four triangles are there. One triangle is red. So required area for red sheet is equals to 1/4 of area of a square of ABCD sheet. It is equals to 1/4 into 968. You will calculate it. Then centimeter square. Then you have to calculate area of green sheet. Green sheet is also 1/4 of area of a square plus area of an isosceles triangle. So a required area for green sheet is 1/4 of area of a square. Out of four triangles only, one triangle is green, so 1/4 of area of a square sheet plus area of an isosceles triangle AEF. What is the formula for calculating area of an isosceles triangle? B/4 under root 4a square minus b square. A is equals to 20 equal sides and B is base, that is 14 centimeter. So you will put the values and calculate the area. Keep it in mind that area is always in square units. So area will come in centimeter square. Understood? Question number 40. Difference between length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 8 centimeter. दोनों साइड के बीच की लेंथ का डिफरेंस इज 8. तो अगर एक वन इज x तो another will become x plus 8 centimeter. And the height is given, that is 24 centimeter. Area is also given 312 centimeter square. They said find the length of sides of trapezium. That means you need to find x and x plus 8. So we will start. Let the length of one side of trapezium is x centimeter and another is x plus 8 centimeter. We know that area of trapezium half into sum of parallel sides into height. We know that area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. It is equals to half sum of parallel sides means x plus 8 into height is 24 centimeter. It is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are. X plus x is 2x plus 8 into 12 and area is given. It is 312 centimeter square. Multiplication में equals किस तरफ आया था? 12 भी है division. 312 upon 12 is equals to 2x plus 8. 26 minus 8 is equals to 2x. So x is equals to 18 upon 2. It is equals to 9 centimeter. The value of x is 9 centimeter. So the 9 centimeter and the value of x plus 8 is 9 plus 8, that is 17 centimeter. The length of parallel sides of trapezium are 9 and 17 centimeter. Question 42. A parallelogram and a square have the same area if the side of a square is 40 meter and the altitude of a parallelogram measures 25 meter. Find the length of corresponding base of a parallelogram. So it is given that area of a square is equals to area of parallelogram. It is given in question. Area of the square we know, side square, and area of parallelogram is base into height. We know the side, it is 40 meter. 40 into 40. This you have to find, and height is given 25 meter. So base is equals to 40 into 40 upon 25. 5 5s are 5 8s are 5 1s are 5 8s are 8 8s are 64. The answer. So today we have completed chapter 14. In next lecture we will start with new chapter, that is chapter number 3. Thank you.